Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can integrate Google Chat with other apps on Windows. You can open the Google Chat apps if you have downloaded. But if you haven't downloaded, you can open the Gmail app. To integrate others apps, you can click on the chat message or just paste. You can select for example. At the top, you can click in the name of the conversation and you can select apps and integration. So the apps appears here, but um, um, I don't add the apps yet, not yet, and yeah, I I I cannot add the apps because no apps here. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.